Do you remember this house from somewhere? No? Wait. Now, if you remember this music, this beautiful vintage house and Swami, yes, Malgudi Days, then I'll show you exactly how this house looks today and even this door too exists as it is. I will show you the architecture, vintage artifacts and whatever possible without invading the privacy of people living in. They are preparing for some functions, and if you book, even you can stay in this 150 years old house owned and taken care by Kasthuri Akka. But before that, yes, it was our day 2 of visiting Agumbe, and we have already covered Kavale Durga Fort Trek, Silent Lake and Hidden Waterfall, plus the homestay where we are living. If you want to watch that, please visit my previous videos. Links will be in the description, or you can follow this Agumbe playlist. Now it was time to visit this famous cultural heritage, so we left our homestay and with a smiling faces we began. Some unfortunate scene around. Still looking the marvelous houses and lifestyle of the people around here, it made me question my choices. Am I really living to the fullest? By the way, if you loved the video, please don't forget to subscribe. If not, please list down what improvements can be made. Finally we reached, and no, this is not the house. This is. Let me step back and show you. The yellow drapes are to prevent rain from entering inside, as it's almost always raining here. The moment we enter, the house reveals itself completely. Beautiful woodwork, pillars, and a lot of these probably is as old as the house. At least that's what I think. Well, by the looks, I was not too sure. It looks so maintained, so beautiful. Entering inside, I saw my friends getting nostalgic by almost everything around them. Lots of discussions and references of Malgudi Days happening simultaneously, plus the photographs. This opening without a roof is one of the main attractions with rainfall. The member of house were busy for preparations for a function, and they were happy to see us around, wandering and looking at everything like a curious child. My mind says the door and window grill probably is same as we saw in Malgudi Days. It's amazing that if it survived the continuous usage of throughout the years. Even though I wanted to look what's behind every door, but practically that's not the correct thing to do. The owners were very graceful, and without even asking, they asked me to explore the upper floor, since they saw me with the camera and photographing everything. And this portion, my friend, is a must visit. The stairs looks like the original ones, and so the grills and boundaries. It looks like a mega master bedroom with these pillars giving a feeling of a palace type. Well, I will control my imagination here, but yeah, this seems to be used as a place where multiple people can collect and even relax. Are those windows by the bedside? Probably yes. Now there is a special window without grill, and you can see the beautiful surrounding with trickling rainfall. If only I can get a cup of tea and some time to relax. The greenery all around. For some reason, everything I see here, my mind is trying to evaluate if it's really the original one as I saw in Malgudi Days, or is it replaced? Did it survive the time? Then there was this artifact which I'm not aware of its history and connection with the house. Some toys behind at the back. Finally, looking at the wooden infrastructure all around, it's time to go down. Well, if there is mirror, I feel an urge to do this. Now let me shut up for a few seconds and hear this. Living here, this becomes melody to the ears. One last look with admiration and nostalgia. I sprinted as it started raining. Well, you should love rain to blend in and enjoy this place. We began our journey to the next location, but before you go, let me show you what's coming as the next few videos. A beautiful mountain top with water logged and some lotus-like plants. A place where clouds appear and disappear so quickly. And then a waterfall not too far away, which was breathtaking when I took a dip and sat there for almost 10-15 minutes. And finally, a majestic temple where also some monks live behind if you cross a bridge. I hope I will see you back again in the next coming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you again. See you soon. Please don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video. Otherwise, thanks a lot for watching and visit back.